ओके, अब ये क्वेश्चन देखो. assume a hypothetical conductor where the conduction electrons are only present on the surface with a uniform surface density sigma. So this is your conducting surface, okay, and the electrons are present only on the surface of the conductor. The negative charge is present only on the surface of the conductor. Drift velocity of the electrons is Vd. Then the current flowing along a solid wire with circular cross section of radius r is what? Radius r is given, okay. So drift velocity is Vd, and surface density of electrons is sigma. So surface density of electrons means what? Number of electrons per unit area. Now in time t, current is flowing along the surface of the conductor. So in time t, how many electrons have crossed this cross section? Since the drift velocity is v, so in time t the electrons would have traveled distance vd into t. Okay, so here I can draw a cross section. Here I can draw a surface, cylindrical surface, okay, and the electrons sweep this area on the surface. So what is this? How much area is this covered by the electrons on the surface? So the area covered will be 2 pi r into Vd into T. Circumference is 2 pi r into length, gives us the curved surface area of the cylinder. This is the curved surface area. So the number of electrons crossing is how much? Number of electrons will be 2 pi r Vd into T into sigma. Then current will charge flow will be how much? Charge flowing in time t will be 2 pi r Vd into T into sigma into E, charge of one electron. So current will be what? Current will be charge by time. So charge divided by remove the time. So we get 2 pi r Vd sigma E. So 2 pi r Vd sigma E. This is the option B will be the correct answer. Okay, so this is your answer. This is one way of solving it. Now there's another way to solve this. So let's write method 2. Okay, so what does the method 2 say? We solve it using dimensional analysis. So current will be what? Current I will be Q by T. So I will be number of electrons into charge on one electron by T. Number of electrons will be what? Number of electrons will be surface density. Actually it's exactly the same thing what I am doing. Surface density into sigma into E by T. Correct? Surface density into sigma into E by T. So surface density is what? Surface area I should write. Surface density into sigma, not there, into area. So surface density is sigma, area will be 2 pi r L into E by T. Now L by T will be what? Drift velocity. So you get this to be equal to sigma 2 pi r drift velocity into last E. So again same answer only, but we solved this using dimensional analysis instead of thinking too much. Okay, so that's it.